Hey everyone, today let's talk about a tightrope walk that's all too familiar, balancing the demands of your academic journey with the fullness of life outside the classroom. I know it can sometimes feel like you're being pulled in what seems like 1,000 directions, each with the promise of a fall if you don't tread carefully. But there's something I learned. Balance isn't about standing still. It's about movement, adjustments, and the harmony of steps that keep you moving forward. I remember during my doctoral studies, I had a pivotal moment. It was one of those all too common late nights, the ones around 2 a.m. I was surrounded by what seemed like a fortress of research papers. The tick of the clock was echoing against the walls of my mind, and I realized I hadn't spent much time with my family in days. It struck me then the balance I sought wasn't about managing my time, but nurturing my life. So here's what I did: simple steps, but transformative. Number one, prioritize, understand what's non negotiable. For me, that was time with family. Number two, organize, plan your week, assign time slots, not just for your studies, but for your personal life too. Number three, delegate. You don't have to do it all. Team up with your peers or seek help when you need it. Number four, reflect. Take a moment each day to assess what's working and what's not. And most importantly, remember this: the journey of academia, with all its rigor, is not just about a destination, it's about growing, learning, and becoming. So be kind to yourself, embrace the ebb and flow, and know that each step you take is a part of crafting a story that is uniquely yours. Remember, the balancing act is a dance, one that you are fully equipped to perform. You got this. So until next time, keep thriving, keep balancing, and let's keep supporting each other.